In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom Add to Cart button in Shopify. We're going to walk through this inside your Shopify admin, so start by logging into your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Online Store and click it. This will open up your themes area. On your current theme, click the button that lets you edit the theme. This will open the Online Store editor, where you can visually customize how your store looks. At the top of the editor, you'll see a navigation drop-down that usually defaults to the home page. Click that drop-down because we want to switch to a product page so we can see and style the Add to Cart button. From the list, choose Products and then select Default Product. The preview on the right should now show a typical product page layout. Next, look over to the left side of the editor. You'll see a panel with sections, and just below the sections icon, there's a small gear icon for theme settings. Click that. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the theme settings panel until you find an option called Custom CSS and click it. This is where we're going to paste the code that styles your Add to Cart button. In the text box that appears, paste the same CSS code provided with this tutorial. You can pause the video at this point so you can clearly see all of the code and copy it accurately into your own editor. Once the code is pasted, look over to the preview on the right. You should immediately see that your Add to Cart button has changed in appearance. Now you can fine-tune it. Go back to the code on the left. Here, you'll see values for things like width, height, and padding. These are usually followed by px, which stands for pixels. Adjusting those numbers will change the size and spacing of your button. You'll also find properties like font size, font weight, and letter spacing, which control how the text on the button looks. There will be a border radius value as well. Lowering this number makes the button corners sharper, while raising it makes them more rounded. For the color, look for the background color line with a hex code. You can search online for a hex color picker. Choose any color you like, copy its hex code, and paste it in place of the existing one. Feel free to experiment with different numbers, alignments, and colors until the button matches your brand. When you're happy with how it looks in the preview, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Your custom Add to Cart button is now live on your product pages.